Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's fun video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw Punkleton from My Singing Monsters. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with Punkleton, let's begin with the eyes. I'm going to begin right here and we're just going to make a little backward C shape like this. Then we're going to leave some space and we'll do another little backward C shape right there. Next, starting here, let's make a big curve that comes around. And then right here, let's make another big curve. Now, right inside of here, let's draw a little line that curves down. And then over here, we'll do another line that just curves down. Just to show a little 3D section in the eyes. Now, let's work on the mouth. I'm going to begin by drawing a line that goes down. We're going to go up. I'm going to go down again. And then I'm going to come up like this. Then starting here, we're going to go down. We'll go up, down, and then back up here. Right here, I'll draw a line. And then over here, I'll draw a line that goes up and in. Just show a little bit more of that 3D look. Now, right here at the top of the head, let's make a little sad face. Then I'll draw another little sad face right here that's just going to come down. Right here, I'll make another little sad face that's just going to go up. And then it's going to come down like this. And then right here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to go down and then up. We'll just kind of make sure these connect. Now, starting here, let's draw a little line that comes up on each side, just show where the top of the head is. And then right here, let's draw a line that's going to come down and then connect to here. And same thing here, we'll just go up and then down. Now, starting here, I'm going to make a little line that's going to go down. We'll come right to here and then back up. Now, for the vine on top of his head, let's draw a line that's just going to go up and then down here, and we'll kind of curve up. Then we'll make another one that's just going to go up, down, and then curve around. I'll connect this line there. Then I'll do a couple little bumps right here for some leaves. And I'll throw a little line inside each one. Then I'll make another couple bumps right there for another leaf. And right here, let's draw a line that's going to curve down and up and then back for another little vine. Next, let's work on the body of Punkleton. So I'm going to begin right here, and I'm going to make a leaf. So we're going to make quite a few of these. So I'm just going to go down and up. I'm going to go down and up again. And down and up one more time. I'll do another one out here. I'm just going to make that same three kind of pointed shape. We'll do another one here. I'll draw another one over here. We'll just make two little points. Then I'll do one more 2 points right here. Then I'm just going to draw a little line right down the middle of each one just to make it look like a leaf. Now I'm going to start on the arm. I'm going to begin by drawing a line that's just going to go down. It's going to curve around and come back up. Make a few more of those little three-pointed leaves on here. So we'll draw one there. Draw a little two-pointed one there. And then another little three-point one right there. Next, I'm going to draw 1, 2, and 3 lines down. And I'll make another one of those little 3-pointed leaves. I'll do one right here. And one over here with some 2 points. Next, I'm going to make the fingers. So to do this, I'm going to draw a line that's going to go down, and we're going to bring it up. I'll draw another one that just goes down and up, and one more down and up. I'll draw a line that goes out and in, and out and in like this. Then I'll draw a line that's going to go down and up on each one, just to kind of make the points of the fingers. Now let's make the body. So let's start with the ribs. Right here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to go in, and then it's going to come back for one of the ribs. I'll draw another one right here that just goes in and curves back. And I'll draw one more right here that just goes in and back. Now, starting here, let's draw a line that's going to go down. We're going to jump over each of those little lines. We're going to come down to here and just bring it back up. That's going to be like the spine. Then let's go ahead and draw a few little lines on here, just to make it look like it's made of bones. Now, starting over here, let's make the other ribs. I'm going to begin by drawing a line that's going to go in and back. Another one's going to go in, and it's going to curve right up to here. And then one more here that's just going to curve in and then come back. Right here, we'll make a curved line. This is just going to be kind of like the back of that bone. I'll draw 2 curved lines here, and 2 curved lines right there. Now over here, there's going to be another arm. So I'm going to begin by drawing a line that's just going to go down, and then it's going to come up. I'm going to make another one of those 3-pointed leaves right here. And then I'll do another one over here. And then a small one right there. I'll draw 1, 2, and 3 little lines for part of the arm. And then I'll make another 3-pointed leaf here, and then a couple 2-pointed leaves right on each side. Now let's work on the fingers. So I'm going to start right here, and I'm going to do the same thing I did before. I'm just going to go down and bring it up. I'm just going to start right here, and I'm just going to go and curve it around. And then right here, I'll curve this one around. I'll make 3 little bumps at the end. And then I'm just going to make lines going to go down and up, down and up, down and up. Now this one we're also going to see the thumb. So we're just going to go down and bring it up. And this one will just go down and bring it back. Now, we want to make the hip bones on here. So I'm going to begin by drawing a line that's going to curve out, and then in and down. Same thing here, we're going to curve out, and in and down. Down and up, down and back up to connect it. Then I'll put a little oval inside each one. And I'll draw a little line on each side here. Now for the legs, I'm going to draw a line that's going to go down and then up. And we'll do another one here. We're just going to go down and bring it up. Make a little circle on the end of each one for the kneecap. Then I'm going to bring this line down, over and up. And I'll bring this line down, around, and up. Now we're going to add some more little leaves on here, so we'll just do a few more of those little 3-pointed leaves. You can do some 2-pointed ones as well. And we'll do the same thing over here. Just make a few different type pointed leaves. Now we're going to make the feet. I'm going to begin by drawing a line that's going to go out, up, and back in. I'll do one here. It's going to go up and in, and then up and in. And then we'll just draw a line that comes out and back, kind of like a rounded point for the toes. I'll do the same thing here. We're just going to go out, up and in, up and in, up and in. And we'll make the little rounded points at the end. Now the last thing you can do is we can just draw a little line that's going to come down here across the face. And same thing here, just kind of show the line of the pumpkin. And then we can add some little lines inside of each of our leaves here, just to make it look a little more realistic. You don't have to put it inside each one, but you can just put in a few of them. And there you go, there is your drawing of Punkleton from My Singing Monsters. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed.